class 1 exercise 5.2. Dear student, we have already discussed two questions of exercise 5.2 in previous video. Now we discuss question number 3. Divide 2 minus 3 iota by 5 minus 4 iota. तो 2 minus 3 iota divided by 5 minus 4 iota. देखिए रैशनलाइजेशन जैसे हम करते हैं कि नीचे जो स्क्वायर रूट के क्रम हो उसका हम रैशनलाइजेशन करते हैं, उसके रेसिप्रोकल से डिवाइड और मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं। ऐसा ही रूल इस आयटा के अंदर, अगर नीचे आयटा की टर्म है तो इसके रेसिप्रोकल यानी 5 माइनस 4 आयटा है तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल होगा 5 प्लस 4 आयटा से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और डिवाइड। ये कहलाता है रैशनलाइजेशन ऑफ दिस टर्म। So now we multiply 5 plus 4 iota and divided by 5 plus 4 iota. Now this term to multiply, we multiply to this term to this term. So we get 10 plus 8 iota minus 15 iota minus 12 iota square. And this is your property a minus b into a plus b. This is equal to a square. It means 5 square is 25 minus b square 4 iota square means 16 iota square. Now we solve this from 10, 8 iota minus 15 iota, 15 minus 15 iota plus 8 iota we get minus 7 iota, and iota square is equal to minus 1. We remember this property, iota square is equal to minus 1. We put the value of iota square is equal to minus 1, we get plus 12. Now we add these two terms, so we get 22 minus 7 iota, and this also put the value of iota square is minus 1, then this negative change to positive, it means 41. 22 minus 7 iota by 41. This is first part. In second part he says that find a complex number when we multiply these number to get this result 3 minus 7 iota. So let us suppose the complex number is x plus iota y. Now this number is multiplied this complex number, we get this result. So now we have find the value of this complex number. Now we take this term to right hand side, then this multiplied by, goes to right hand side, then this becomes divide. So x plus iota y is equal to 3 minus 7 iota divided by 2 plus 5 iota. Now we solve this question by this first part, 2 minus 3 iota divided by this. By rationalize the term and find the value of x plus iota y. So this by first part. Question number 4. We given the complex number, write the form of a plus iota b. इन कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबरों को हमने a plus iota b फॉर्म के अंदर लिखना है। इन सभी कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर के अंदर यदि क्वेश्चन 4 के सभी पार्टों की बात की जाए तो उन सभी में डिनोमिनेटर के अंदर आपको आयटा की टर्म दी गई है। तो नाउ वी रैशनलाइजेशन दिस टर्म मल्टीप्लाई माइनस, वी चेंज द साइन ऑफ आयटा टर्म्स, प्लस है तो माइनस करेंगे, माइनस चेंज टू पॉजिटिव। तो नाउ माइनस 1 माइनस रूट 3 आयटा डिवाइडेड बाय दिस टर्म, we multiply this term to this, and this is your property a plus b into a minus a b. Now we multiply this term, we get minus 5 root 3 iota minus 2 iota minus 2 root 3 iota square. Now we put the value of iota square equal to minus 1. So now we get minus 5 root 3 iota minus this, we take the negative iota common out, 5 root 3 plus 2, and this becomes 2 plus root 3 iota. Now we add these two terms, so now we write the positive first, 2 root 3 minus 5 by minus iota into 2 plus root 5 root 3, and this iota square is equal to minus 1, then this change to positive 3, 1 plus 3 we get a 4. This is the form of a plus iota b. We write is, here a is 2 root 3 minus 5 by 4 minus iota into 2 plus 5 root 3 by 4. This is your a plus iota b form. And second part of this question is said that 3 plus root minus 1, 2 minus root minus 1. We know that iota is equal to minus 1 under the square root. So then this is the value of iota. So now we write this 3 plus iota divided by 2 minus iota. This is the form of. Now we solve these part, first and second, we rationalize this term and find the value of a plus iota b. Third and fourth part also same as first and second part. In fifth part, it is given that 1 plus iota by में 1 minus iota दोनों की whole power 4 है, तो then we write is 1 plus iota by में 1 minus iota की whole power 4. तो हम यहाँ इस whole power के अंदर ही पहले इसको rationalization करते हैं. 1 plus iota divided by 1 minus iota, then we take reciprocal of 1 plus iota की whole power 4. We write this is the identity of a plus b का whole square. It means 1 plus iota का whole square, and this is property a minus b into a plus b. We write 1 minus iota square. तो now 1 plus iota का whole square means a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and now put the value of iota square. Iota square is minus 1, then minus change to plus 1 1 2. तो iota square की यहाँ पर भी वैल्यू पुट करें. 1 iota square minus 1 plus 2 iota by 2, minus 1 cancel to 1, so then we get 2 iota by 2, 2 cancel to 2, iota की 4, iota 4 is equal to 1, because iota square is equal to minus 1, again squaring करते तो iota 4 is equal to 1. Now sixth part same as part number 5. Seventh part say that 3 plus 4 iota की whole power minus 1. So now first of them we change the negative power to positive. So now we write this 1 upon 3 plus 4 iota. हम इसको चेंज करेंगे तो इसको डोमिनेटर के अंदर लेके जाते हैं, तो नेगेटिव पावर किसके अंदर चेंज होगी? पॉजिटिव के अंदर. Now we rationalize this term. 3 plus 4 iota into 3 minus 4 iota, 3 minus 4 iota. Now we multiply this term to 1, we get 3 minus 4 iota, and this is your identity a plus b into a minus b, you get a square minus a b square. It means 3 square 9 minus 16 iota square. Iota square is equal to again minus 1. So then this sign negative change to positive. 9 plus 16. 3 minus 4 iota, 9 plus 16. So 3 minus 4 iota by 25. Now part number 8 and 9, it is same as part 8 is same as fifth part, and 9 is same as sixth. First part say that 1 minus iota की whole power minus 2 plus 1 plus iota की whole power minus 2. तो यहाँ नेगेटिव पावर को पॉजिटिव बनाने के लिए लिखेंगे 1 बाई में 1 माइनस आयटा का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 1 बाई में 1 प्लस आयटा का होल स्क्वायर. अब हम इस होल स्क्वायर को ओपन करते हैं डोमिनेटर के अंदर, तो देन दिस बिकम्स 1 प्लस आयटा स्क्वायर माइनस 2 आयटा a माइनस b का होल स्क्वायर प्रॉपर्टी, a प्लस b का होल स्क्वायर प्रॉपर्टी, 1 प्लस आयटा स्क्वायर प्लस 2 आयटा. 1 iota square is minus 1 minus 2 iota plus 1 iota square is minus 1 plus 2 iota. Then this minus 1 cancel to 1, we get 0. It means 1 by में minus 2 iota, it means minus 1 by 2 iota, and this becomes 1 by में 2 iota. This is positive and negative term reciprocal to each other, then opposite to each other, then we get result as 0. In second part, he said that 1 plus 2 iota plus 3 iota square, 1 minus 2 iota plus 3 iota square. We put the value of iota square. Iota square is minus 1, then this becomes minus 3. This is also minus 3. 1 plus 2 iota minus 3, 1 minus 2 iota minus 3. 1 minus 3 minus 2 plus iota. 1 minus 3 minus 2 iota, taking 2 common out from numerator and denominator, this became minus 1 plus iota minus 1 minus iota. Now we rationalization of these terms. So now we change the sign of iota. Minus 1 plus iota minus 1 plus iota minus 1 plus iota. Now this is the whole square of this property. If you multiply both terms, then we get same result. So now we minus 1 multiply this term, iota multiply this term, we get this result. And this is your property a minus b into a plus b, means minus 1 square minus iota square. This is 1 minus 1 minus iota minus minus 2 iota. Iota square is minus 1. 1 cancel to 1, we get minus 2 iota by 2. 2 cancel to 2, we get the result minus iota. In third part say that 1 plus iota by 1 minus iota की whole power 4n plus 1. Here n belong to n means natural number. So now we find the value of these functions. So now we rationalization of this function 1 plus iota by 1 minus iota, rationalization of negative to positive. then it is also positive term. Then this is the whole square 1 plus iota का whole square, and this is your property a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So now we write this 1 plus iota square plus 2 iota, this whole square, and this is your property 1 minus iota square. We put the value of iota square in numerator and denominators. 1 minus 1 plus 2 iota plus 1 plus 1 2 minus 1 plus 1 cancel, we get 2 iota by 2, 2 cancel to 2, iota की power 4n plus 1. If we put the value of n is equal to any natural number like this 1 2 3 4, so we have find the value of it. If we put n is equal to 1, then iota की power 5, right? With this iota 4 into iota, iota 4 is equal to 1 multiply iota, we get a iota. So this result is equal to iota. If we put any value here 1 2 3, then we get the result of a iota. In fourth part, say that root 2 plus root 3 iota plus root 2 minus root 3 iota, root 3 divided by root 3 plus root 2 iota, root 3 minus root 2 iota. This term is positive, this term is a negative, though both are cancelled. Also this term are also cancelled, we get root 2 plus root 2, this is 2 times of this, then we write 2 times of square root 2 and 2 times of square root 3. So now 2 cancel to 2, we get root 2 by root 3. We write this whole 2 by 3 under the square root. This is your question number 5. In question number 4, show that 3 plus 2 iota divided by 2 minus 5 iota plus 3 minus 2 iota by में 2 plus 5 iota is a rational number. ये हमें एक rational number prove करना है. Rational number those number which will be written by p upon q for where q not equal to 0. So in this questions we take the LCM of 2 minus 5 iota into 2 plus 5 iota. We multiply 3 plus 2 iota to 2 plus 5 iota, 2 minus 5 iota to 3 minus 2 iota. Then we multiply these terms, we get this result. Minus 4 iota cancel to 4 iota, minus 15 iota cancel to minus 15 iota. We get 6 plus 6, 12, and this 10 iota square, 20 iota square is minus 1 to minus 20, 12 minus 20 minus 8, and this a minus b into a plus b, it means 2 square is 4 and 25 iota square. We put the value of iota square is minus 1, then this becomes plus 4 plus 25, it means 29. This is minus 8 by 29 is a rational number. In second part, it is said that 2 plus 3 iota by में 3 plus 4 iota is a real number show करना है हमने इसको. तो then we multiply its reciprocals. So now we solve these questions. So now we solve this, rationalize this term 3 minus 4 iota by में 3 minus 4 iota. We get to multiply this 6 minus 8 iota plus 9 iota minus 12 iota square divided by this is a plus b, a minus b, this 9 minus 16 iota square. So now we get 6, this is also became plus iota square, 18 plus iota by में 25. Now this is your form of real number.